Alam ko po kung bakit ka nagsisipag.
What you are seeing here tonight at this very moment is your future.
Let them connect in POS so that they will be connected with their dreams and start living your prime life and prime years today.
Just have to take action at ang sistema na yung bahalang tumulong sa iyo at isa lang ako sa napakarami ng na-create na resulta dito sa Prime Online System.
Kaya huwag mong hintayin ang tamang oras. Dahil ikaw ang gagawa ng oras para umasenso ka.
What we can offer is just our vision, our value. You come with us, we welcome you. If not, we thank you for your time. But whether you join us or not, whether you like it or not, Ascendra International will surely fly.
Guys,